Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to send Solana from Kraken to Phantom Wallet. So really simple. First of all, what we need to do is we are going to be heading over to our Phantom Wallet, as you can see here, and just like that you can see we have different kind of cryptocurrencies here. I'm going to be selecting Solana since we are going to be sending Solana from Kraken to Phantom Wallet. Now, since we are going to be receiving from Kraken, we need to click on receive and then copy. Now, all you need to do is simply head over to your Kraken account, and in here you are going to be simply pasting the address that we just copied. Once you paste that, you're going to be hitting withdraw or send, and that, my friend, is going to be completing your process. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and that's how you can send Solana from Kraken to Phantom Wallet.